Weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Now, we're not seeing as widespread heavy rain and higher elevation snow, but there is still some areas here that we are seeing some heavier rain and at times some heavier snow in the higher elevations, especially with these darker blues. But things have lightened up quite a bit in the Mount Shasta area, and we've actually seen things change over to mainly some light rain showers along I-5. So travel through Black Butte Summit should be fine. Now, Snowman Summit, that's a different story as we head into tonight. Still snow-covered roads there along 89, but travel overnight and the east side is still going to be very difficult with rounds of snow, heavy at times, and some gusty winds. Seeing that snowy weather through the Chiloquin area and points to the north up through Chemult. Temperatures right now, 31 in Chemult, 37 in Klamath Falls. We're up to 35 now in Mount Shasta and in the middle 40s in Grants Pass and Medford. Winds are still rather blustery, sustained winds up to 25 miles per hour in Klamath Falls. It still will be windy tonight. Not as strong of winds as last night and earlier today, but still we're going to get some higher gusts. Latest gusts up over 40 miles per hour in Klamath Falls. So that's still going to create where we're seeing snow, that potential for some whiteout conditions and difficult travel. Winter storm warning still in place until 4 a.m. Tuesday, except for the Cascades and Siskiyous and the higher terrain of the east side. That has been extended until 10 p.m. tomorrow because we're going to get another wave of snow, but we do expect snow levels to climb as we head later tomorrow into tomorrow night. More on that in a second. We do have still some winter weather advisories for portions of the region until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning due to some snow and gusty winds. Here's a look at storm totals as far as snowfall is concerned. The highest amounts will be along the Cascades. Chemult likely over a foot of snow. Siskiyou Summit 6 to 9 inches, but much of the east side will at least see some accumulating snow overnight before this first storm system moves out, and the next one is going to start to come in tomorrow, especially by the middle of the day into the afternoon. Tonight, lingering rain and snow, gusty winds as well. Tomorrow on your Tuesday, another windy day with more rain and snow pushing into the region. But notice these climbing temperatures up to 39 in Klamath Falls. There will be a period of snow for the east side, but we'll likely see that shift over to rain as snow levels rise. So that trend will continue into Wednesday and even Thursday. So travel conditions will improve tomorrow. The big concern is going to be for our Cascade passes and some of the higher terrain areas east of the Cascades, especially 97 up through Chemult. You'll see that with Stormcast, a lull a bit into tomorrow morning, and then here comes another wave of some rain and snow. Heavy rain expected for the coast and at times some heavier snow up along the Cascades. But as we move into Wednesday, those snow levels climb where mainly our higher peaks will see snow and the rest of the area will see rain. Most of the focus for Wednesday for wet weather will be along and west of the Cascades though. But because of these more rounds of heavier rain expected, we do have again that flood watch for Curry, Josephine, as well as western Siskiyou County with some snow melt as well going on. River rises, creek rises are possible with maybe some localized flooding. So pretty wet for the coast, more rounds of rain through the middle of the week. Northern California, rising snow levels, less of a concern for travel when it comes to snow. The Klamath Basin, especially the higher terrain, dealing with snow into tomorrow with that next wave. But the biggest travel impacts will continue to be along the Cascade passes with snow and wind impacting travel. Looks like we'll get a chance, though, to dry out and see some quieter weather this weekend. But in the meantime, for the Rogue Valley, some more wet and windy weather the next couple of days. But notice milder temperatures, maybe a shot at 50 by Thursday.
Well, quite the turnaround. Thank you so much, Matt.